Okay, so a quick tour of the Fox UK office and training centre. We're looking at one of the EP6s. This is the new iteration to the EP5, now in a nice powder coat white. Exactly the same size, I think, if not maybe a tiny bit thicker than the original EP5. This is called the EP6. Got the Evo, the all-in-one. That's an inverter and battery. It is a 10 kilowatt hour battery on that one. Just over, nice shiny glass front, control panel off to the side. And your cable entries and exits can either be from the side or through the rear. That's an Evo 10. This is the new flagship EP12. So it's just like the EP6, but a little double the size, both physically and with a capacity difference. Same inputs, same buttons as you're used to. There you go, with the parallel ports as well, and the main breaker. Now this is what we've just been talking about on the live stream with Craig. So this is the EPS box. This is a single phase box, lockable edges, and inside you've got here the brains of the EPS box. So this is the emergency power supply. You've got your inverter, EPS goes in here, your house load, so off here will go to your original consumer, your inverter grid power, inverter 2, so if you've got a second solar inverter, and then your main utility supply. And this box will automatically switch over between grid and backup power if the grid fails. Super impressive box, nice sort of silver white powder coat. Got the K series and the Generation 2 H series. Got two of those side by side. Obviously the H and the K series can parallel. Really nice demonstration here. Got the top of a cube here, so you can see the connectors all integrated in the cube or the EQ battery. This is an EP5, so the previous generation to what we've just showed over there. This is the power Q, and this is that all-in-one unit that we've talked about for a little bit. Again, MPPTs, rear entry. So this top module is an inverter, and these are EQ batteries stacked on top. Really impressive unit. Can't wait to see these start to be deployed across the UK. Now this huge unit here is one of the H3 Plus units, and it's paired underneath with some CG16 batteries, I think. These are those large, very heavy, kind of C&I type storage solution. Huge inverter. It's hard to get on video just how big this inverter is for the H3 Plus. Then we go to the H3 Pro. This very popular unit being installed at the moment, dual battery inputs on the larger models. The H3, is this a Smart? This is a H3 Smart or another Pro. Yeah, that's a Pro actually. The AI link used to parallel H3 Pros, the new Evo range as well. And here is a H3 Smart. So this is the latest generation for 3-phase. Again, it's all going integrated data logger. And that's because there's an aerial actually installed. And if we have a look underneath, we can see that it's actually got active fans built into it. Smart meters. Yeah, so what a fantastic facility to have all of this available for UK-based installers to come, do their Fox training and certification, and learn all about the latest Fox gear.